Hello and welcome to the Crazy Food Lady. Today we are making Jian Dui. I made these last year for, oh my god, squeaky dog. I made these last year for Lunar New Year, and I love these things so much, but the recipe I used last year didn't perform as well as I had liked. The first one I tasted was really good, but then the rest of them, and maybe even the first one, I was just too excited to notice. They were beautifully cooked on the outside. They had that nice, crisp, golden outside shell, but the inside, the dough was totally uncooked. So that was a little sad, very gummy. So I'm trying a little bit different recipe this time, and hopefully it works out. I've already got my red bean paste that I made, and my goodness, that was a pain in the butt, and it did not want to cooperate. Last year it was way easier to make my red bean paste. I'm hoping that this means that the Jian Dui will work out better this time. Please excuse the squeaky wonder. All right, so let's get started. We're going to need glutinous rice flour, baking powder, water, sesame seeds. If you can get them roasted, that's great. If not, you can roast them yourself. It's really, really easy. And then sugar.
That
So
one
I'm
looked healthy.
frying the Jian Dui. You can see they're puffing up compared to where they started. Little tiny things puffing up. So this is looking good. So I have half of them filled with Gouda. Or not half of them. I have 8 of them filled with Gouda. And then the rest are filled with the red bean paste. So here's how the Jian Dui have turned out. These are the cheese ones. I didn't maybe cook them as long as I should have because we need the fryer. These are the bean paste ones. I'm going to try one.
This needs to be higher temperature now. What do you want it at? What do you want it at?
I don't know. Yum!
Definitely higher than it is.
Yeah. Oh, so good.